Virtual private networks or VPN has become a must-have thing these days. So you guys must be shocked to see me so soon on this channel, right? Well, I have a justification for you guys. So in my last to last video, I have told that I will try to be more consistent on my channel, but then I thought, let's do it. I am loyal to my subscribers and my viewers, so I thought it's finally the time to be more consistent on YouTube. So yeah, that's it. And hey, you guys are not here to see this guy blabbering, right? So let's see something cinematic. So now that being said, this is Saurav here from Techie World, and let's roll the cinematic intro. VPN allows users to securely access a private network and share data remotely through public networks. Much like a firewall protects your data on your computer, VPNs protect it online. And while a VPN is technically a WAN, that is a wide area network, the front end retains the same functionality, security and appearance as it would on the private network. So now you may ask, what is the best VPN? Well, I got your back, presenting you SlickVPN, the best VPN according to me. Well, why you may ask? Blazing fast speeds, zero logs, anonymous torrents, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited peer-to-peer traffic, and they have servers in over 142 cities. Fun fact, they also accept Bitcoin, so it's really easy to set this up. Just download the app and install it like you do and enter your login credentials and boom, you are good to go. It has support for both Windows and Mac. SlickVPN is one of the fastest VPNs. You can use it to hide your browsing histories while using any public Wi-Fi network. You can also view blocked sites. We are not at the end yet. There are some more things that this thing can do. You can change your IP and you can also see stuff on the map and run speed tests to check load. SlickVPN doesn't offer you the flexibility to take up a trial, but that's totally alright, as they do have the 30 days money back guarantee. It has various server locations all over the world. The speed is unthrottled, and with the host of servers it seems like a no-brainer. SlickVPN is ridiculously cheap and it's the steal for the price. It is exceptionally value for money. It's available just for $5 per month and it's totally worth it. That's it. Click on the like button if you find this video helpful and subscribe to the channel for more awesome contents like this. That's pretty much it. Thanks again for watching. This is Saurav here from Techie World signing off, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace. Virtual private networks or VPN has become an essential. Okay. VPN or virtual private network is an...
Dude, do you remember the script?
More like a firewall protects your computer. VPN does the same thing.
Files on the computer.
ताई तो बोल दो.
The computer protects your computer.
more like a firewall protects your website. यार.